Hello, this is Judy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and this is going to be a quick one. This is day 12, and the sketch is by Darla Weber, and this is for 30 Days of Sketches with Chrissy's Beautiful Life. These are quickly the photos I'm going to use. I've got 3 photos, even though it's calling for an 8x10, so I'm going to put them all into one photo area, so it's like an 8x10. Okay, I put all the photos on mats of this green stripe, and then I'm going to layer them up so they're all together on this side for the sketch pattern that is here. And I cut out a banner for the bottom and the top, and then I'm going to put the yellow behind it. I think I'm going to have to find a little bit longer though. For some reason this yellow is shorter. And then I brought out this box of stars so I can do stars along the border as well. And then I have to find some flags, but I found those, and this star border I can use as well. But I found some of these kinds of flags that I can put along the border here. So that's an option. So let me get some yellow and then I'll be back. Hey, isn't this going to be fun? I found some Bubble Fisker's old scissors. So I'm going to go ahead and trim this in half and use this for the border. And of course, a lot of it will be covered up with the stars, but that's okay. It still gives it some interest and makes it fun for me to look at. All right, so there we go. And actually this is like a gold color, so it's a shimmery. It's really pretty. Moving right along on this one. Okay, so I have everything put down, and I found some stickers. They're really sticky. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them up, but I kind of like the placement. And because it's so colorful, I have orange, brown, green, blue, yellow, all of those colors brought in with the stickers. I also have this. It's the back of one of the sticker sheets, and it had all lines in it, and I thought, oh, it's perfect for journaling. So I carefully place it under the borders, and then I cut some more borders to put here. And I don't know if I like it so thick. I might want to tuck it underneath the journaling spots and just have a smidgen of it showing. So let me trim it down here real quick. So maybe I will just glue it together. Yeah, I like that better. So I'll do one on this side. Now, for the sketch, it had some flags up on the top here. I can do that. And then I had this star border I was going to put down here, and I can have it continue over here too. think I'm going to not use this one because there are 2 suns, not 1. So it kind of, I don't know, it just looks funny knowing what I know. Now, I'm going to put Boy Mom here because she has a shirt that she would always wear and would say Boy Mom. So that's what I'm going to do. And then this is all for her to do her journaling and talk about how much she just loves her kids. Oh my goodness. So I'll get those titles down, have some close-ups, and another 3 photos done and in my scrapbook. Yes. Okay. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.